is today? Huh? It's September 26, your birthday! It's my daughter's birthday! Happy birthday, Mama! Ay, kakagising lang namin. Kiss, kiss! Kiss, kiss, kiss! Kiss! Okay, good morning once again. Welcome to the Suds family vlog, and today it's a very special day because it's my daughter's birthday. And just in front of me, she's playing. Nag-drink na siya ng milk niya. At ako, kakatapos ko lang maglinis ng living room namin kasi nga may bisita tayo mamaya. So, simple birthday celebration lang dito sa bahay. Kasi yung party niya is sa Saturday pa, September 28. So, ngayon, kakain muna ako ng breakfast. Ito yung breakfast ko. Chia seed na may yogurt, oat. Tapos, may oat siya. Tapos, mango. After nito, magluluto na ako ng lasagna. So, yung handa lang namin for today is lasagna, ribs, tsaka chicken with pineapple. Yun yung ni-request ko kay Papa. Tapos cake, yun lang. Simple lang, lunch for the whole family. Tapos magpapatulong din ako mamaya sa family ko mag-prepare ng loot bags ni Bella. Yun lang, yung Papa niya is tulog pa. Mamaya pa yung 12 magigising. Yung lunch namin is 12, so kailangan ko na magluto ng lasagna. Yun lang yung ipe-prepare ko. Yung ribs, si Babushka na mag-prepare. Let's eat. Bella, are you fixing Babushka's hair? Ay! Ay! Sinusuklay niyo si Babushka. Nagsusuklayan sila ng buhok. So, Bella was born September 26, 2023, 7:08 in the evening. And she was 8 pounds and 55 centimeter. So, malaki po siyang baby kaya na CS tayo. And may 2 cord coil kasi siya. So, yun kaya it's nag-CS tayo. And we stayed in the hospital for 3 days. And yun, it was a good experience, unforgettable experience. And 1 taon na siyang nakalipas. So, masaya kami. Bella is growing healthy, active. Tsaka lagi siyang may natutunan everyday. May ginagawa siyang bago. So, si Babushka, maaga siya nagising. Sabi niya 4 AM daw. Nilabas niya yung ribs sa freezer. Nag-prepare din siya ng dough for the bread. And tsaka nag-breakfast na din siya. Kaya siya ngayon yung nag-aalaga kay baby. Pinakain niya muna ako. Tapos, after nito, papakain ko si baby at magluluto na din ako. So, tapos na akong kumain. Ito, pinili ko siya nung nandun kami sa SNR. Gusto ko lang siyang itry kasi vitamin C siya na candy. So, try natin. Hindi ako mahilig sa vitamins. Hindi ako mahilig sa vitamins or minom ng mga gamot. Pero, na-try ko to. So, it's vitamin C mixed berries flavor. Na-open ko na siya kagabi. Na-try ko yun. Nag-try na ako ng isa. And this is the second try. Happy birthday! How old are you now? Huh? How old are you? 1 year old, Mama. I'm 1 year old. Kiss, Mama. Kiss. Kiss, Mama. Thank you. Oy, naglalakad na siya, oh. Bye. sleeping. Hi everyone. It's me, Bella. It's my birthday today. Ang beses ko na sinabi yung birthday. Oh, Johnny, Johnny. Johnny, Johnny. Johnny, Johnny. No, it's not playing. Huh? Papakainin ko na sana siya kaso ayang bumitiyo sa ano niya, sa walker niya. Gusto niyang maglakad-lakad. Gusto niyang i-push yung walker. Let's walk more. Can you give them a kiss? Kiss. Mwah! Mwah! Let's go walk na. Okay, turn, 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 turn. Yeah, yeah. Right on it. Right. Right. So, nag-vacuum nga ako kanina. Hindi ko pa siya nabalik. Kasi busy ako. After maglinis, kumain agad na gumawa ng formula niya. I'll put it back later, Lala. Okay? Oy! So, yan. Nasa loob na yung ribs na ipiprepare namin mamaya. At yung bread, yung babushka yan, isasalang na lang yan mamaya after maluto ang ribs kasi mabilis na lutuin, 30 minutes. Ay, 40 minutes pa lang. So, I'll start preparing the meat for lasagna. Beef is ready. Bella's food for her birthday. Jumping, jumping. Belle, picture. No, babushka. Belle.
Take her, take her.
Okay, blow, Belle. More happy birthday to you. Lola, kanta.
Happy birthday, Bella.
Blow, blow. Bella, woo. Yay.
Nakita girl. Dito girl.
Let's go touch the cake. Happy birthday. Umiyak yung baby. Wala man ang picture na maayos. Ito yung cake niya na binigay nila. Na-slice ka na. Play with Auntie Tin, Lala. How old are you now, my love? So, tatanungin ko sila about kay Bella, kung sino yung nakakakilala sa aking anak. So, Auntie Tin will answer first, second, Auntie Jam, then next, Uncle Dick. So, first question, are you ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Bawal lang sabay-sabay, dapat
One by one.
One at a time. Okay, first question. Anong araw pinanganak si Bella? Date? Date, month, gano'n.
September 26, 2023. Hindi ko alam yung araw.
September 26, 2023. Tuesday.
Uncle Dick.
September 26, 2023. Thursday.
Thursday. Okay, so, ang tamang sagot ay September 26, 2023, Tuesday. Yay! 1 point for Auntie Jam. Next! Come here, Belle! Come here! Come here! Mag-join si Bella. Next. Anong oras pinanganak si Bella?
7:30.
Sabi ni Lola, 7:30 daw. You know what time you were born? Okay. Anong oras pinanganak si Bella? Tin?
7:30.
7:30.
5:30.
5:30.
7:30 daw.
7:30. Okay, the correct answer is 7:08.
Wrong si Lola.
Wrong si Lola. Okay, next question. Anong pangalan ng ospital ipinanganak si Bella?
St. Luke.
St. Luke's? Auntie Jam? Auntie Jam. Anong pangalan ng ospital?
Asian Hospital.
Uncle Dick.
BGDit.
Okay, the correct answer is Asian Hospital Medical Center. Yay! Auntie Jam, bilang points ka na? 2 points. Okay. Ay, magulo. Okay, next question. Wait. Bella, wait. Nawa na, nag-vlog na si Bella. Okay, pagpapatuloy namin na aming Q&A. Umiyak ang baby. Belle, I'm so sorry. Happy birthday. Okay, excuse me. Okay. Jam, pila na yung points?
2
2
points.
points.
0.
0! Ako din, 0! Okay. Third question. Third question na ba, no? Okay, first question, anong araw pinanganak si Bella? Second question, anong oras? So, third question, saan pinanganak, anong ninong ospital? So, fourth question na tayo. Hindi kasi prepared eh. Okay, fourth question is, ilang kilo si Bella pinanganak? Ilang kilo si Bella pinanganak, Auntie Tin?
4.5.
4.5. Auntie Jam?
3.9.
3.9. Uncle Dick?
5?
5 kilos?
5 kilos.
Okay, the correct answer is 3.9. Auntie Chuka. 3 points na ka na. Okay, next question. Saan located ang hospital ni Bella nung pinanganak siya?
Alabang?
Alabang? Ikaw na?
Las Piñas.
Las Piñas? Dick?
Makati?
Makati. Okay, so Asian Hospital is located in Alabang, Muntinlupa. Yay! Hindi got 1 point. Okay, umakyat na si baby. Matutulog na. Okay. Hindi namin natapos yung yung Q&A kasi kinukuha ni Bella yung camera ko. Pag kinukuha ko naman sa kanya, umiiyak siya. Kaya ayun, pinatulog ni Babushka. Natutulog sila sa taas ngayon. Yung family ko naman, umalis na kasi pupunta pa sila sa mall, bibili ng damit na susuotin nila for Bella's birthday party. Yung birthday party, hindi ko siya ginawa ng weekdays. Kasi nga, hindi available yung mga bisita natin. So, in-adjust ko siya ng Saturday. Yun yung party niya talaga. Ngayon, kanina, nag-simple lunch lang kami with the immediate family. And yun, nagpag-banding kami. Nakapag-banding si Bella with them. And yung brother ko wala dito, sayang. Si Bella natutulog with Babushka. Hindi ako umakyat kasi nga naglinis pa ako at naghugas ng pinggan. Naghugas ng pinggan yung asawa ng kapatid ko, pero may tinatapos may tinapos din akong hugasan. Yeah, thank you for the help, Auntie Tintin. And Auntie Jam, thank you. Uncle Dick and Papa for cooking the pork humba. And Babushka, thank you for cooking the ribs. Yung lasagna ko, feeling ko sobrang dry niya kasi konti lang yung sauce na nalagay ko. So, hindi siya masyadong naubos. Half lang yung yung nakain namin. Yung naman, yung ribs, yan. Konti na lang yung natira. Tapos yung rice, ang dami ng rice na niluto ko. Hindi kasi masyadong kumakain ng rice yung family ko, lalo na si Jenya at si Babushka. Bukas, aalis kami. Kasama sila Auntie Tin at saka si Mama. Kami, may gagawin kami, magpapasalon kami, magpapasauna si Jenya. Gusto namin mag-relax. Bago yung party ni Bella. Kasi nga, baka sa Saturday, so sobrang enjoy namin, mabilis kami mapagod. Kaya, magre-relax muna kami. So, tapos, ano pa ba? Masaya ako kasi nga umuwi yung sister ko. So, gusto ko din mag-banding kami dun sa salon. And, yun lang yung mga plans namin for tomorrow or before Bella's birthday. Gising na po ang birthday girl. Grabe yung iyak niya kanina eh. Bella! Oh! Say bye-bye, people!